In this part we're going to talk about adjusting and saving kerning. For that we open a file, text_05.es, and we're going to zoom in on this part over here. If you select the text and go to the text tool, you see a lot of gray behind the text. If you select one character, you will get the space this character occupies between, or better said, in the text. And if you select the drag tool, the origin points of every character become visible. Every origin point is placed on the baseline of the text. This is the left part of the letter, the character, the top part, the bottom part, not that accurate, but you get my drift, and the right part, just left of the caret. Every character shares the same properties. It has an area which it occupies, it has a baseline which runs through every origin point, it has a maximum top and a maximum bottom, and if you select the character R besides the E, you can see that it fits nicely against the character E. This is only a little bit of theory behind fonts. You can even forget it if you want, or you can study deeper into this subject. But to edit text and to adjust kerning is just a little background information. You don't really need it, but maybe you now will understand what an origin point is. And origin points is what it's all about when you're adjusting kerning. You could of course select the text tool and adjust this kerning through here, but the easiest way to adjust kerning is with the drag tool. We're gonna remove all the guidelines, zoom out a little. If you click and drag an origin point, everything on the right of that selection will move along with it. If you want to move just one character, click once to select it and then move it. I'm going to zoom in a little, I missed that one. If you want to move multiple characters, select them and move them. With the shift key pressed, you can even move them off the baseline and even under other characters. But this doesn't make typing afterwards any easier. So if you do things like this, it's better to restrain this to some small adjustments like this, so you can still select the characters in a reasonably normal way. To adjust and save kerning, you select this text and select the top kerning over here. We're going to remove this one because we don't need this. We want to start with a clean sheet. We're going to accelerate the adjustments just to make it more clearly what's happening. If you now select this character and move it to the left to adjust the kerning of this characters W and A, you can here see the selection reflected. If you're satisfied with this, and we currently are, we click this button and this kerning pair is saved. We're gonna adjust this one, click to save, adjust this one, click to save, and this one, and click to save. Every new text you type in this font set will have the new kerning automatically applied. The original font isn't damaged or changed. These adjustments are only available in EasySIGN itself, so no other software has troubles with it. Whenever you open a worksheet which already contains a character set we just have adjusted the kerning pairs, they will remain the same, just like this one over here. Every new text you type will have these kerning pairs applied. If you have existing text and want to apply the new kerning pairs, just select this button over here, apply kerning to the selected text, and this text also has the new kerning pairs applied. It's as easy as this. Just select the drag tool, drag the kerning pair you want to adjust, and save it. And apply it to existing text if you want to.